Counties across the state are gearing up for a recount in the state Supreme Court race.
Yeah, after the official county-by-county count, incumbent David Prosser held a 7,300 vote lead over Joanne Kloppenberg, and it was Kloppenberg who then has asked for the recount. That was completed yesterday. The recount could schedule beginning on Wednesday of next week. Cameron Clark this evening has this Fox 11 follow-up.
This is where the 43,000 ballots from this month's election are kept for Outagamie County.
Under lock and key, and I'm the only one who has access to the room.
For Lori Albright, who was sworn in as county clerk on Tuesday, the looming recount in the state Supreme Court race will be quite the welcome to the job.
I'm anticipating a lot of scrutiny, obviously. This is a very important process for the electorates and the voters.
She's not alone in being a recount first-timer. That's why the Government Accountability Board has scheduled a teleconference with all county clerks for Monday. From talking with other area clerks about staffing and other expenses, Albright estimates the recount will cost the county between $20,000 to $30,000, which is an unbudgeted expense for the counties.
So the other thing,
as the city clerk of De Pere, Shar Peterson's job centered more around the actual election. But municipal clerks do have to provide the counties with documentation for recounts, including second copies of absentee ballot requests and poll books.
that's where once in a while we'll find discrepancies, especially if a husband-wife team come in.
Peterson is also a former county clerk and says a recount is quite the process, whether it's counted by hand or machine.
There's a lot of work involved. It's very time-consuming. Depends on how big the voter turnout is.
State law provides for 2 weeks for the recount to happen. So if some larger counties with more ballots to count need more time, we'll need to ask a court to extend that deadline.
For some municipalities like the city of Appleton, for example, which is in Outagamie, Winnebago, and Calumet counties, the city clerk has responsibility to all of those counties. Cameron Clark, Fox 11 News.
And today's update is that in a court hearing this afternoon, Kloppenberg and Prosser's campaigns agreed to a hand recount in parts of 31 counties where the electronic voting machines' memory cartridges are full.